Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me just introduce to you the place where I am. I'm in West Pokot at a place called Marich. Marich means a place between two hills. Marich Center is blessed to have the River Kerio passing by. And one element that community members are talking about is that this river is their lifeline. But the challenge with this river is that it's almost dry. As you can see, as you can see behind me, the river has been shifting its route third time. Now it's on its fourth route along this valley. So the fear is that after a few years, the river shall have dried, and when it dries, the community will not have any other means. Hence, the issue of climate resilience will be a thing of the past. So their request now is more awareness, to be supported, to create more awareness, to build their capacity, to involve and help them participate, and to tell them what are some of the basic means and approaches through which they could be able to build their resilience. And that's why I'm here. We, as ECAS Institute, I'm here to provide expertise to the discussions going on in ensuring that West Pokot has got policy and institutional frameworks adequate enough to help mainstream climate change into their development. And hence, I will just urge you, so that you don't face the same fate as the West Pokot residents and specifically the Marich residents, plant trees. For them, they know. They have been cutting trees upstream and to burn charcoal. They have been cutting down trees upstream because here the resources are common. So they are suffering from the tragedy of the commons. And with the tragedy of the commons, they have less to do other than to urge their community members to respect nature, to preserve nature, and to work for nature. So I just urge you, please, let's stick to environment conservation. Let's plant trees. Let's talk about climate change, how it affects us, how we can work on it, and what are the simplest ways through which we can be able to protect ourselves from its negative impacts. I'll be able to come back once again just to tell you that what we have agreed as part of the resolution with the community members, even as we seek to help them to adapt, to mitigate, to respond, and to live with climate change. Thank you so much, and thank you so much.